When start at first month May 19 and 1977 at first May you can I'm yes I am born at city, and there when everything more still simple, and I have my parents name Santo, have a little great when school there a long time ago, and he is only he is work at institution of bypass is a institution to like repair to repair once be more good, and he is only in position is like not counselor be to like a guidance to resocialization again in there. And when I'm passed from that's my father is active there, I remember, and my mother is a woman who be a housewife in casually take care home, clean house, take a chronological everything at home, clean everything, prepare from other anything at home. When I'm remember at child, I remember that my mother have a interesting have several interesting which she love, as I very understand it, and sometimes I see be a child I see well that's my mother doing, and I'm only watch well in anything and nothing much. I'm only see like that like another child. I oh yeah my father before when I'm very child, I'm ever went to that's so far island in there, and my mother and my father stay live there and at uh, at like an institution which in particular, but in part it's in that time is still part of like a civil civil country. Yes, but in that very old time, and when I'm in years still child, I'm back to this place, and that's it. I remember I have two brothers. I'm big sister, and separate of our age is not too long. At my brother first 8 years, 5 years, and my brother little is 7 years. Yes, not too long. Which I remember, that's too much difference of us. Like I'm too not, my brother too short, and another brother too maybe to us is west like that, or another, and that's I see until now. But yeah, we are a brother, so we can talk another, not not too hard. That's which I have done ever some years ago. I'm ever talked to one of them, like crush to crush. But yeah, that's we are. And graduate from that after at graduate from that several years after senior high school. Not to not to not too difficult to school there, but which difficult is like, and have to struggle in there, and anything to fight, have a like a bashy and systemic, so hard, very hard. But at last my proud, I'm graduate. This was my graduate from there, and first time my father, my mother, and another family, my dad's little brother, come to see my graduate. That's one of my proud, and that's maybe a one of which I like to like which make me feel value, that's alright. But anything happens, unless my family, our little family, our nucleus family is one of them is pass away, we have still known that family is still necessary. Anything which happen, that's place to we are still be bergain. Anything which happen to us, anything difficult, unless we something fake to another, but I still can call that my family is still my father, my mother, me and my two brothers. That's still in my mind, and that's anything together we go wrong until now, that's we are. I brother, his name commonly I say call them Anji and Adip. Yes, my two brothers.